Now, what exactly we are trying to check? How can we export the data, like the entire database which you created, like HR database? If it is not showing in a left-hand side schemas, you can refresh that schemas. Okay, it shows that HR database. Within that database, we have these many tables we have been created, right? In case I just want to export all these tables, okay, for the future purpose I may be required. So I just wanted to export all these tables. How can we export all these tables? We have to go to here, server. Okay, here on top we have a menu. In that server, in server we have to click on data export. Like I just want to export the data, so data export. Once I click on the data export, it shows that like uh, what are the databases you have. Okay, within which database you like you can select that database. In that selected database, which particular sheets to be, like which particular table to be exported, you can select here. Okay, I don't want to select this one. I don't want to select this database. I am selected. I just want to select this database. I selected this database. Check mark on this. In case any of the database is not be required, you can uncheck them. Okay, tables is not required. You can select multiple databases and multiple tables together. Okay, and here we have some of the like seven tables we have, and three options we have. We can dump only, means dump data only, means only data will be exported, not a structure like table structure like integer, those uh, constraint what you have here, it will not be exported. Only structure means only structure will be exported, not the data. But I need both structure as well as the data, so selected a dump structure and data. Then how to start the dump? Okay, object to export, we can say here dump stored procedure as well as the functions also. If you are done functions and procedures here, or any events you have been created or triggers also you can do. But I just want to export this one, so go to export progress. Okay, here object is a selection is done. Now exporting, here export progress. There we have to click on a start export. Okay, start export. It will start exporting all the tables. Once it is done, it shows that in which folder exactly it has been created. You can just select that folder. Okay, that C drive where exactly it is there. Just you don't want to search it again and again. You can just copy that particular thing. You can go back to any of the folder you can open in your desktop or somewhere. You just paste it here, or you can go to the user C drive, user review, like this dumps. In dumps we will have this particular folder like this, or just you can copy paste here and you can say like this. You will get all the database in a SQL text format. Okay, in that XL text file. Okay, it is data has been taken in this particular dump. Okay, so how can we export? We have been learned. Okay, now the another way of exporting a table is by using a like query itself. If you like to export, I just close this one. Just I just wanted to export the table in the form of query itself. So how can we export? Like I just say select start from the employees, like this particular table to be exported. So I just say select start from all the columns, or whichever the column you require, you can select here from the employee. And this employee data set to be exported into the which file. For that we have a function called as the into out file. Okay, this particular data into out file, output file. And you have to give the location where exactly you would like to export. Like I just wanted to say on a desktop, in my system desktop, on a new file name to be created, that is demo.csv. Like this I would just wanted to create. And how exactly it has to be exported, it says that like I'll just give here like this one, field terminated by. Okay, field terminated by means each of the column to be separated by, that is a field terminated by. We have to say comma, means comma separated, right? CS means comma separated. Then lines terminated by means each of the line to be how exactly it has to be entered. Backslash n means it is a new line. Okay, this code if you give, then if you control enter, okay, you will execute it successfully. Means the in a desktop you will be created the file. Okay, if it is not created there, if you get an error means it may be because of your server is secure. Okay, without any permission, if you are not able to get it done, then we need to like go for another method of exporting this table into a CSV. Okay, if this is not working for you, if this is not working for you, there is another method, the third method of exporting your data. For example, this employee data to be exported, right, in a HR tables employees. Okay, right click on that employees, right click on that employees, you will be having table data export wizard. Okay, we have this particular file, table data export wizard. Select that. Once you selected, it says that like in a HR database employee table is selected and these are the columns we have. Similarly, we can deselect any of the columns if you require. Then you can go for advanced settings also, like anything like that you need here, query you can uh, write and you can execute. Okay, I just say simple only. Like I don't want to complicate anything, I just want to export all the table. Any condition you would like to put, you can go to advanced and you can put the conditions. Then next I say which format, like it has to be exported to the desktop. You can select like here browse. Okay, where exactly to be in your which folder you would like to keep that one. You can select that in desktop where exactly you would like to keep, and that particular folder, and what would be the like name of that table, like a file. I say demo underscore employee. You can select like JSON file or a CSV file. Okay, I just say demo underscore employee. In that particular folder it has to be created, and it should be CSV, means a comma separated value. And how the field separator should be, here also you can select like comma tab, like this we can select. Okay, line separator means each of the line, or how left for fine, and left side will be the each of the line will be different, like that. Null value, how you would like to get it, and do these things. Then you can say next. Then it will say again next to prepare. It will start prepared, say next, it will be created. Now you can say finish. It has been done. Okay, it has been created and it will be there in a folder. You can go back to your folder. Okay, that particular folder, here you can see that particular CSV file has been created. We can export any data which you created in a this one by using a two method. One is into the CSV also we can export. Okay, the comma separated. Okay, we can export. Okay, sometimes what happens, it will be separated in each comma and it will not be there in a, it will be there in a single line. Okay, in a sometime, then you have to, you know that one in Excel we have to select that particular column and data text to column we have to do here delimited. Here we have to select the delimiter as a comma. In case any other things is there, then we have to select here. Okay, like this we can do the separations also in case if it is not separated. Okay, so this is how to export a data. There are three different method I have been shown to do a CSV. There are two methods. To do it in a SQL file, we have to go to here and data export. Okay, in coming videos, so we'll learn about how to import a data from like someone provided you database in the form of file, SQL file or like that. How can we import that one into a like database? We will learn in a coming session.